Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to do something really cool and cheap to your car. You can actually fit this to any car. This is like a universal kit or custom kit you can do. This is a 2009 Subaru WRX, so I'm gonna show you how to do it for a WRX, but basically it's the same thing for every car. So I'm gonna show you what is it, how it looks like, and then if you like it, you can watch the video and see how it's done. So this is how it's done. Okay, so this is what you need to do. You need to go to the paintball store and you gotta buy a CO2 tank. Like this, or any size you want. It's not expensive, it's $30. You gotta buy the neck with the cable. This comes together, the neck and the cable. It doesn't come with the bottle. It's extra $15. So bottle, the line, the fitting for it. You gotta buy a nitrous solenoid. And it's important there is a nitrous solenoid. I bought mine from jigs.com. It was 60 bucks. Do not purchase this guy. It's from online, $20. I paid for it. It's useless. It's not holding the pressure. Don't waste your money. Buy the proper one for 60 bucks. This really works nice. You're gonna need some high pressure hose. I bought it for $10 for 20 feet. You gotta make sure that you keep them the same length. If you want the smoke comes out on both sides nice and equally, you gotta keep the hoses on the same length. If one of the holes is shorter than the other, then one side the smoke gonna come way before the other one. It's gonna look stupid. It's not gonna look good. So keep the hoses the same length. And in this car, in this mod, it's a 2009 WRX. You can feed the line through that hole right there, through the firewall. It's right behind the intercooler. Once you remove the intercooler, you're gonna have a nice room, just enough clearance to take the plug out and poke a hole through, feed your lines through, bring it under your feet or wherever you want to hide the solenoid for. You don't need access to it, so just put it out of the way, make sure you're not gonna kick it. And the rest of the stuff you can purchase is from Canadian Tire. You need a button, a push button, right? It's cheap, it's just $5, the one I purchased, and I'll show you where I put it. In this car, I put it right here. This guy. So, yeah. So it's nice and convenient. And the T-fitting, you can also purchase from Canadian Tire because the other end of those hoses has to go into the T-fitting, which fits on the outlet of the solenoid. So the CO2 bottle and the line fits into the inside, into the inlet of the solenoid. I'm gonna show you some pictures because mine is hidden under this guy. It goes into the solenoid. The other end, the outlet, goes the T-fitting, and for the T-fitting you connect your two hoses. And it's very simple. You make these wires, connect a push button to it, and it's done. It's extremely simple. This T-fitting didn't come with the threads over there, so what I had to do is purchase a chandelier hardware kit from Canadian Tire. That's the only thing that actually fit there nicely. So it is funny, but I actually found the nice threads and stuff. So chandelier hardware kit was like $4 something. Had these threads. You fit into the T, fit into my solenoid. You zip it out of the way, nice and clean. And make sure when you use it, when you want to spray it, when you want to look cool, you have the bottle upside down. If it's right side up, you're not gonna see anything, you just wasted it. You gotta have it upside down, you spray it, and then it's gonna be then it's gonna look cool. And this size of a bottle, it's a 12OZ, gives you 8 to 10 spray, depends on how long you hold the button, and it's $5 to refill it from a paintball store. So I hope it was good. I hope it was helpful, and enjoy.